Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. What do you see here? This is a whiteboard. Yes, when you look close, there are some dots here and there that need to be erased. But overall, the bigger picture, it's a whiteboard. If you pay too much attention to those dots over here, you will not see the bigger picture. Yes, there are lines in it. Those are marks that of the past. For example, this hasn't been cleansed yet. That's why you see marks of previous markings. Some are fresh markings you can erase easily. Some are not that some to erase them you need to go a bit deeper. But it's still a whiteboard. It's white. It's pure white. However, there are times when it comes to your walk by faith, you tend to notice too much those dots or those past markers. Those dots are there and those past markers are there. You're not going to be delusional by ignoring them or pretending they're not there. But they're not the whole thing. In a similar way, the paranormal is around you, it's active. The negative is there here and there, but it's not all. So be encouraged. Agree to Christ.